We'll guide you through how to delete your Namecheap account. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to the Namecheap website and log into your account using your credentials. Once you're logged in, look towards the top right corner of the page and click on your username. This will open a drop-down menu where you need to select Dashboard. In the dashboard, navigate to the left-hand menu and choose Profile. Within the Profile section, scroll down until you find the Account Settings option. Click on it, and you'll see the option for account closure. Before proceeding, it's important to ensure there are no active domains or services, as these need to be canceled or transferred before you can close your account. If you've taken care of that, click on Account Closure and follow the on-screen instructions, which will guide you through confirming your decision to close the account. You might be asked to verify your identity either through email or another security method, so be prepared for that step. After confirming, your account will be scheduled for closure. Keep in mind that this process may take some time, and you won't have access to your account during this period. If you change your mind, you can contact Namecheap support to halt the closure process, provided it hasn't been completed yet. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.